when you grow up? Again, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Thank you. I am amazed that Beauty Pageant Queen because it can be used as a platform to promote education. Just like a beauty queen who can inspire others through their beauty and grace, I want to be a teacher with a crown to help students reach their full potential through education. Thank you.
Thank you, Nakati.